Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Maryland. Today we're going to go over this Shark Gray 255 Dorado. She is a 2019 with a full hull upgrade, dual 150 Yamahas on the back with digital throttle. As we walk through the transom past the teak swim platform, you'll notice that she's set up in family mode right now. She's very versatile, switching back and forth with much ease. We're going to drop the Yeti cooler in, slide that right in by the sink. We've got our bench seating back here, which easily stows away. This table is removable, and now we've got a lot of additional room. This seat right here actually comes back to the full upright position with that handy little switch. We're going to move our trash can, which is handy, out of the way. We've got plenty of storage in the deck. Our helm station right here has our electronics, our digital throttle, nice steering wheel infusion. Here is your head setup with pump out and sink. I'm going to move over to your additional storage inside the head, which has all of your electronics and your charger. In the bow, we have additional nice deep drainable storage. We do have a filler pad for that, and of course with all Scouts 25 foot and up, your windlass anchor is a through hull, and that is standard equipment. You can also add a bow ladder without interfering with that windlass. She's a very well equipped 255 Dorado, and we'd love to get you out on the water. Give us a call at MarineMax Maryland. Thank you.